Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's gonna be just like a regular styling video, but I am going to be trying someone's new technique. Okay, now I was sent this video by one of my subscribers, just like all the rest of the videos that I've tried, and she wanted me to try it out because she said that it looked really nice and new and just easy. So she wanted me to see, you know, what was the tea. But yeah, I will leave the lady's channel link down below. I'll try to maybe put a picture on the screen or something like that. Y'all know I ain't that tech savvy. Okay. So I'll try to do all that jazz so you guys can reference her channel. Okay, so you can go over there and see how she did it and, you know, the whole spill of that. She has a really cool channel, by the way, if you guys do want to head over there and try it out. Okay, well, check her out. So I did watch the video, and I'm going to be doing the steps pretty much exactly how she did them. It's the only thing that'll be different is she attached her wig with the elastic band, and I'm just going to be using like regular like got to be gel. Okay, so let's get right into it. I don't want to ramble too much. This is how she started it out. So basically, it's like a ball cap method, and y'all know how much I hate the ball cap method. Okay, I've rallied all about it on the YouTube streets. Okay, I don't like the ball cap method, but this way, the way that she did the ball cap, she didn't use any type of adhesive. Okay, and I was like, okay, this is really smart, and this is really cool. All right, so she took a wig cap, and I'm not gonna take off this wig cap. I just always keep this wig cap on. Y'all know I have a lot of hair, yada yada yada. So I'm not taking it off, but I'm just gonna put this one over this one. But one thing she did was cut off this thick, you guys see like the little band right there. So she actually cut that band off, okay, and she just cut it like on the front part of her head. So I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna go and cut like the band off, and I'm assuming that with cutting it off, it's just gonna make it look a little bit more seamless, because sometimes you can see that band. Ooh, y'all, I think I cut off too much. Lord, it's okay. And I'm just using a regular stocking cap. So after she cut it off, she just put it on. So she took this, like some kind of, you know, rubber band or scrunchie, and like made a little ponytail. Don't look at the BBs. The dishes in the kitchen ain't washed. But she put like the rubber band on it to make like a little ponytail in the back. And I want you guys to like go back to her video to watch exactly how she did it, because I just want to make sure, you know, I'm not getting anything wrong. But she put that on there. So she created the illusion of like a ball cap, but with no adhesive. Okay, so this is what she did. She put like the little thing on the back, and then she went in with like some makeup, and I'm just gonna go on with this little foundation that I have for my wigs. She went in with some makeup and then colored the front. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I'll be back.
I would suggest you all add like more makeup around the band part so it can really cover it up. I didn't cover the band as much as I should have.
Hey guys, all right, so I have completed like the look per se. Let me get into the hair before we get into the whole spiel about the whole cap method and everything like that. So this hair does come from Alipearl. Get off of me. This hair does come from Alipearl Hair Company. I do have the links, 222 inches and 224 inches with a 20-inch ear-to-ear frontal, okay? So, guys, as you've seen in the video, I didn't pluck this frontal, and it's very, like, different for me not to pluck a frontal, because even if a frontal does come pre-plucked, I'm almost always still going to pluck it. This frontal, however, did come pre-plucked, but it was, I don't know, it was just kind of like plugged to perfection, so to say, I guess, or whatever, because I didn't have to do anything to it. I just really just went in and laid baby hairs, just a few baby hairs, and that was pretty much it. As you guys can see, I chose the more so like flip over method. I didn't really want to part or whatever, so I was just like, okay, I just kind of want to, like, I don't want anything defined. I just wanted to look like my hair just fell over to the side, and I was like, no, that's all I wanted. So that's what I got, and it came out really, really great. I did miss and over bleach my knots, so if you guys see something that looks a little weird or whatever, that was on me. I freaking left the bleach on for too long and took a nap. But the hair is not shedding or anything like that, and literally I left a 40 volume developer on for like 24 hours because I felt it wasn't really a nap because I didn't wake up until the next afternoon, so yeah. But the hair was still intact, and I was for sure, I said the hair is fixed to fall off the track, okay? I mean, for to fall off the frontal part, because I literally put the bleach on there at 7 p.m. I fell asleep and didn't wake up until about noon the next day. Please don't do that, okay? And it was 40 volume developer. Please do not do that. But it was an accident, girl. I was tired, child. But yeah, if that don't tell you about how this type of hair, how this hair is and the frontal is, I don't know what's gonna tell you, okay? Because I really had to messed up. But the hair, like I said, is still in good condition. This is what the curls look like. I didn't put anything in this hair. I didn't even put water on this hair because I washed it and I let it air dry, and by washing it and letting it air dry, I just got this, like, the actual natural curl pattern of the hair. It looks a little frizzy because I've been running my hands through it. If I would never kind of ran my hands through it to kind of get the desired look that I want, it will still be like super defined like this, okay? So nothing gets in the hair. I just washed it with like some conditioner, well, shampoo and conditioner, because I still had the bleach in it. Washed it with some shampoo and some conditioner, literally let it air dry, and this is what I got. This hair is low maintenance. I did make this wig, okay, because a lot of people, some people don't be knowing that the wigs I already made. I did make this wig, and the texture is WaterWave, okay? WaterWave is popping, if y'all ain't know yet. But I did make this wig, and yeah, this hair, back again, this hair is low maintenance. WaterWave hair is always low maintenance to me. You guys already know. You are gonna need to manipulate it, but you don't have to do as much as you would need to, like, do with some hair that was like super coily, like had some small curls in it. Let's get straight into this whole method, guys, okay? I got into the spill about the hair. Links will be down below if you guys would like to know, like, more about the hair, to purchase the hair. But let's get into this method. I think that this method it's genius. I think it's a really good idea. Me and her did it a little bit differently, being that she just had an elastic band in her wig, and I just put my wig down with got to be, just a little bit of got to be. I did not use a lot, okay? Just a little strip of it around the edges. I might go in and maybe put an elastic band in here. I'm not sure. You guys know how I kind of feel about elastic bands. I don't love them. I don't hate them. It's just like so yeah, I really do like the idea. I'm really more so excited because you don't have to tack the whole cap down, and I still came out with a really natural look, and I love that, okay? So I didn't have to, like, tack the cap down, and then since I just kind of messed up on my knots a little bit, it really helped with that. It made everything kind of blend together and come together, and I think that's cool. Okay, like that's really cool. For everyone out there, I think you guys should like try out the method. Okay, at least try it out. You don't have, like I said, you don't have to worry about adhering the cap to your hairline and having all that product on your hairline and you know all that gunk and stuff. You don't have to worry about that. Just literally put it on, tie it like it's like a little ponytail or something like that, and then put your wig on, and it really does give you that effect of a ball cap, because it is a ball cap. You're just not putting it all the way down. Okay, so I really did like this method and enjoy this method. Hopefully you guys will like it and enjoy it. Please check out her channel or whatever. She's like a breath of fresh air from the few videos that I watched. Also watched the way that she did it and everything that she did. She added some like interesting tips, and she did a few different things than me. Okay, so maybe you guys will want to go over to that route, because I think she did hers like completely glueless and no glue, no gel. Okay, and I actually did use gel. But yeah, the method definitely does get a thumbs up from me. All right, so anyways, that's pretty much it. I think I touched on all bases. I don't really want to ramble too much, so yeah, I'll definitely see y'all in my next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to leave me a comment on what you guys think about this method. Will you be trying the method? Will you not be trying the method? What you think about it? Do you think it's like better than tacking down your cap and disturbing your edges with all the spritz and stuff? Or do you feel like, girl, I'm sticking to my ball cap, I'm sticking all these new trends, you know? So let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all like I always do, and I'll see you on my next one.